Hi, welcome to our channel, Well English. First of all, I want to tell you that knowledge is of no value unless you put it into practice. Here, you can learn and know English in an well and easy way.
Conversation about tips for learning English by myself.
Hi, Bob. How's it going?
Hi, Alice. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. I want to learn English. Do you have any advice?
Absolutely. You can begin by listening to English music.
That sounds enjoyable. What else can I do?
Watch English films with subtitles. It's very helpful.
That's a smart idea. Should I read any books?
Yes, start with simple English books. Try kids' books first.
Got it. How can I practice speaking?
Speak to yourself in English. Also, try language exchange apps.
Will do. How about writing practice?
Keep a diary. Write a bit every day.
Should I use a dictionary?
Yes, use a monolingual dictionary. It's really helpful.
How can I learn new vocabulary?
Create flashcards with new words. Review them often.
That's a great idea. What about grammar?
Work on grammar with books and online exercises.
Are there any useful websites for learning English? Yes, websites like Duolingo and BBC Learning English are excellent. I'll check those out. Should I join any courses?
If possible, join an online course. It helps with speaking and listening.
How often should I study?
Study a little every day. Consistency is important.
What if I make mistakes?
Don't worry about mistakes. They're part of the learning process.
That's comforting. How can I stay motivated?
Set small goals and reward yourself when you achieve them.
Thanks, Bob. These tips are really useful.
You're welcome, Alice. Good luck with your English.
I'll start today. Thanks again.
Anytime, Alice. Enjoy learning English. Thanks for watching Well English. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and lesson. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Keep learning, keep improving, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.